If you drive every day, you know how unpredictable the road can be. That's why having a reliable dash cam isn't just a nice to have, it's a must. And today, we're diving into one of the most impressive mirror dash cams on the market, the WOLFBOX G840S 4K mirror dash cam backup camera. Let's break down what makes this camera a real standout and where it could use a few improvements. From stunning 4K resolution to a massive 12-inch touchscreen display, this isn't your average rear-view mirror. Whether you're commuting through traffic or navigating tight parking spots, this device could change the way you drive and capture every moment along the way. First impressions and unboxing. The WOLFBOX G840S arrives in sleek packaging that feels premium from the get-go. Inside, you'll find the 12-inch mirror display, a rear camera with extension cable, GPS module, car charger, mounting straps, and cleaning cloth. Pretty much everything you need to get started. Setup is fairly simple and doesn't require any professional installation if you're even just a little handy. Right out of the box, the build quality stands out. The mirror is sleek, solid, and fits nicely over your existing rear-view mirror using the provided straps. It feels more like a high-end tablet than a traditional dash cam, and it looks clean in any vehicle interior. Video quality. Let's talk about the headline feature, the 4K front camera. It captures incredibly detailed footage, even in less than ideal lighting. License plates, road signs, and even facial details are easy to make out. The front cam records in 3840x160p resolution, and the clarity is seriously impressive. Now the rear cam is no slouch either. It offers 1080p full HD video, which is more than enough for most backup and reverse situations. Night vision performance is solid on both cameras, thanks to the WDR, wide dynamic range, and Sony Starvis sensor. Whether it's day, dusk, or pitch black night, you're going to get usable footage. This makes the G840S perfect not just for insurance purposes, but also for those YouTube-worthy road trip recordings. Display and interface. The 12-inch IPS touchscreen is bright, responsive, and gives you a real-time view of what both the front and rear cams are capturing. You can swipe left and right to toggle between camera views or up and down to adjust the viewing angle of the rear cam, which is a huge plus when parking. One standout feature: anti-glare glass. Even under bright sunlight, the screen remains visible and crisp. This display isn't just functional, it's genuinely enjoyable to use. Features and performance. The WOLFBOX G840S is loaded with features that make everyday driving safer and smarter. Loop recording ensures the camera continues recording even when your memory card is full by overwriting old footage. G-Sensor Lock automatically locks footage in the event of a sudden impact or collision. Parking monitor keeps an eye on your car while you're away, recording automatically if it detects a bump. GPS tracking records your speed, route, and location in real time, adding another layer of detail to your footage. What we loved here is the intuitive UI. It's clean and simple, even if you're not tech-savvy. You can easily access footage, adjust settings, and review videos with just a few taps. Another bonus: it supports up to a 256GB micro SD card, so you can store hours of footage without worry. Installation. Installation is user-friendly, though the rear camera setup will take a bit more time if you want it hardwired neatly through your car. The power comes through the included car charger, but you can also wire it directly into your fuse box with a hardwire kit sold separately for a cleaner setup and 24/7 parking surveillance. The included 33-foot extension cable makes it ideal for sedans, SUVs, trucks, and even RVs. Real-world performance. On the road, the G840S performs admirably. The wide-angle front cam captures 170 degrees, while the rear cam offers 140 degrees, minimizing blind spots and maximizing coverage. One of the best real-world perks is the streaming media mode. Even in rain or at night, the digital rear-view feed is clearer than a regular mirror, especially if your back window is blocked or fogged up. It's a game-changer during highway driving or lane changes. Pros and cons. All right, let's break it down. Pros: stunning 4K front camera clarity, wide-angle front and rear coverage, excellent night vision with Sony Starvis sensor, large responsive 12 IPS touchscreen, anti-glare glass improves visibility, Reliable loop recording, G sensor, and parking monitor. Easy to use interface with intuitive swiping controls. Works in all vehicle types, including larger trucks and SUVs. Great value for the feature set. Cons. Rear camera is 1080p, solid, but not 4K. Requires hard wiring for full parking mode functionality. Installation can be tricky if you're not comfortable running cables. No Wi-Fi or app connectivity for wireless video transfers. Final verdict. So is the WOLFBOX G840S worth it? Absolutely. It combines premium features like 4K video, a massive touchscreen, night vision, and GPS tracking into a sleek package that enhances both your safety and driving experience. While it's not perfect, the lack of wireless connectivity and 1080p rear cam could be improved. For the price, you're getting one of the most feature-rich mirror dash cams available right now. Rating. We're giving the WOLFBOX G840S a solid 9 out of 10. It's smart, sleek, and powerful. A fantastic upgrade for any car owner who wants peace of mind on the road. Want to check it out for yourself? Click the link in the description below to grab the WOLFBOX G840S on Amazon today. And if you found this review helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss another smart tech review from the Modern Gadget Guy. Thanks for watching and drive safe out there.